Hi guys, here's another one. I've got this key fob from a Peugeot. As you can see, it's worn out. Doesn't even lock open and close, and it's well worn. It's practically fallen apart. So what I've got to do is separate the key blade from the housing. There's a pin in the middle there, but I can't get it out. I don't need this key fob anymore, so what I'm going to do is try and release the blade. I'm just trying to cut the metal from the key housing. Just speed this section up and other sections just to shorten the video. As you can see there, I've got the housing away. This just the pin sticking out. Just got to get that pin out now, out of the key blade, because I want to reuse this blade. Save getting another key cut. As you can see there, I've managed to pry the pin out. There it is in the pliers. Let me just give you a close-up of the key blade. That's the key blade there, which I'm going to reuse. I've had a look on the internet and I've managed to find a key fob cover for £5.98, and I've ordered it and it's arrived. Here it is here. It comes with the fob, a battery and two buttons, sorry. So this is the pin I need to remove from the new fob, which comes with a blank blade. So I've just fixed this screw to the pliers, and I'm going to try and punch the new pin out. I managed to get it stuck in there, so just a bit more and I'll just press it out. Let me show you here. It's fully out now. It's just sticking out. It's going to get the pliers to remove the pin, which I'm going to reuse also. And there's a pin. Just give you a close up of that. Tiny little thing. I'm going to reuse that. So it's just a matter of removing the new key blade from the new fob. You should just pull out like so. See, it's just a blank key. So then what I've got to do now is insert the old key blade like so. I'll show you here, get a little close up. It's not quite sitting in correctly, so I'm going to have to squeeze it in with a pair of pliers. So it's just not quite sitting, the pin won't go in this state. So I've just got to squeeze it in a little bit more. The key blade uses white pliers to do that. And just give you a little close up there. You might be able to see it's nice, a clear hole now. So it's just a matter of reinserting the pin. You can see I've just popped the pin in there. Just try and give you the best close-ups as I can, and then it's just a matter of pressing the pin in, which will stop the blade from falling out. Stop the key blade from falling out. Just show you here, not quite in. Let me just press it in a little bit more. And that should do it. So that's that section done. I've got the new fob with the old key blade fitted. So I'm just going to use a penny to open the fob, as I have to replace the PCB from the old key. I'll show you here. Just use a penny to pop the cover off. And this fob comes with a new battery, even though I've got spares here. So that's the new battery it came with. So it just clips in. Let me show you there. There you go, that's the new battery fitted. And now that's fitted, it's just a matter of fitting the PCB to this button cover. Just fits in there. It's got the PCB for the doors and the immobilizer. So it's just a matter of clipping the two together like so. And that's it, fully assembled. Now it's just a matter of peeling the old Peugeot sign off the old key fob, and I'm just going to glue it onto the new one like so. And that's the finished product there. Just show you all around it. A lot better than the worn out unit. So it's just a matter of giving it a try. As you can see here, I'll just open and close the doors. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.